We got this Wicked Nightmare. There's 2 million Scovilles. Now, since it's raining outside, we can't do stupid stuff outside. But we can do stupid stuff on the inside. Me and Marcus have already tried this earlier. Chef and Hunter Mac, they come late to the party. So they're going to get it on a jalapeno pop. As you can see, it's already 2 drops on that one. And we're going to put 2 drops on this one. All right, boys. Get ready. Ready.
Mac having kids.
No, he ain't burning yet.
You gotta take that.
Bullshit. Oh, hell no. Fuck this.
Sim's done.
Oh my God.
He's not praying.
Is it burning you yet?
Hell yeah.
He's sweating.
Fuck this milk. I don't need no damn milk. We doing this for YouTube. We doing this for YouTube. I don't need no damn.
What you gotta say?
That's some hot fucking shit.
You good, man?
You had to have more milk.
Hey, Marcus.
You ain't speaking.
What do you think?
He's dying.
Well, I don't need that milk. Fuck it.
We got Billy Badass over here.
He don't need the milk, but look how much he done drunk.
He's about to die. I can't even say a word. He should just died.
No, fuck that shit.
I don't need no milk. I don't need no milk. I don't need
That
no
shit crept up on me. Shut up.
Eat some mustard, y'all be alright.
Get some coffee beans. You'll be perfectly fine.
Motherfucker that can eat that and don't need no milk. He ain't normal. Well, y'all ain't got no mustard.
Don't put it in the milk.
Making a damn mustard milk cocktail over there.
Bro, I got milk all over my damn shirt.
That's too crazy.
Oh my God. Y'all gonna be all right.
Dude. I done told you I don't fuck with that hot shit, man. Jalapenos all I want.
Would you recommend this to anybody else?
Mm-mm. If you see it, don't fucking buy it, dude.
I'm definitely
Ready for 4 drops?
I'll go home.